The baddies know. The baddies were Bratzies fans.
The pictures on the outside are one of the ones that you're
I'm
getting.
super stoked, y'all. I am a Bratz girl down. I mean, you know, diva what, diva who, diva where. That's me. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to 12 Days of Naturally Key. Thank you guys so much for tuning in with me. As you guys can see from today's title, I am beyond excited because I will be unboxing the Bratz blind box, y'all. Oh my god, I am super excited. I have always been a Bratz girl. Like, I could never really get into Barbies, but Bratz has always had my heart. I had the chair, the game, the comforter, the dolls, the movies, like you name it, I had it. So I felt like it was only right that I got this box, and I am beyond excited to be unboxing it with you guys. Y'all, the war is finally over, okay? I have been searching high and low for this dang box. I went to like 4 different Targets. They were sold out in literally 2 minutes on the Bratz website. No Target had them nearby. Like, I literally have been on a search for this dang box, and I am super excited that I was finally able to get one. This girl that I follow on TikTok actually said that they have been restocking these on the Target app, so I thought, you know, let's just shoot my shot and see if I can get one, and by the grace of God, I was able to get one. If you haven't already, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to the tribe, and let's go ahead and get unboxing. Y'all, I'm so excited. Oh my god. Oh my god, y'all. Oh my god. Yes. Oh my god, so cute. So I've seen a couple of like reaction videos on TikTok, and apparently there's like a card that kind of tells you which Bratz doll you have on the inside. I don't want to spoil it for myself, so I'm just gonna rip it, close my eyes, and just kind of grab and just get it from there. But these are the little characters. So of course you have Sasha, Miss Bunny Boo, you have Chloe, you have Jay, you also have Yasmin, and then the 2 secrets. So I'm really shooting for either Jay, Sasha, or Yasmin. So let's see who I get. So real quick before I open it, this is the package that it comes in. It just has the B, nothing special on the bag. So let's see which one I got. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my god, y'all, she's so cute. I got Jade. Oh my god, y'all. This is so freaking cute. Look. Oh my god, let's see if we can focus. Look, yes, she is so cute. Get into the details, the paint job. They did an amazing job. She just has a little pink bow there with pink detailing. Her head does move. Her toes are painted. Her nails are painted. And this is just so cute, y'all. Like, they did a really good job with this. Bratz really did their big one on this. I love this. This is gonna go so cute on my purse. Oh my god. The only thing that I noticed that was missing out of my blind box was the baby bottle that's supposed to come with it. So if you guys can see right there, it's supposed to come with a little baby bottle chain. Mine's for some reason did not have that. So I don't know if that was just an error or if it was just a Target thing, but that's the only thing that was missing from my box that I'm kind of sad about. But other than that, I am super pleased with what I got. Like I said, I really was shooting for either Jay, Yasmin, or Sasha, and I got Miss Cool Cat, so I am super excited with the purchase. Let me go get a purse so we can see what it's giving. Okay, so I just went and grabbed my crossbody, and y'all, look how cute this is. Oh my god, I can't. This is so freaking cute. Look at this. 10 out of 10. Yes, this is so cute. So that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed watching. Leave a comment down in the comment section below of what you guys think, if you were able to get your hands on it, or if you plan on purchasing one in the future. As always, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe to the tribe if you haven't already, and turn on that post notification bell so you're notified when I post my next Vlogmas video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.